Hello viewers, welcome to another exciting episode of Low Budget Chef, The Taste of Niger, where we learn how to cook on strict budget. Today is not going to be any different. We will be learning how to make Tigernut milk, also known as Kunun-Aya. The budget is 1,200 naira and it will be done in 30 minutes. Here are the ingredients. We have coconuts, we have tiger nuts, we have sugar, we have date palm, and we have flavor. Please stay with us. This is our tiger nut. It has been soaked for 10 minutes and it's time to pound it to remove the stains on the tiger nuts. Breaking the date palm to extract the seed. Before pounding, to remove the stubborn stains on dates, we need to add water. So it wouldn't break. After pounding it, this is the result. And see the amount of dirt in the tiger nuts. Yo, send that one. Ready to go and grind tiger nuts, coconuts, and date palm. To sieve. Cut. We are done sieving the tiger nut milk. It is time to test it to determine the quantity of sugar to be added. It is time to add flavor. This is milk, powder milk flavor. It is good for tiger nut milk. So and then we'll just add little sugar to taste because already it is too sugary. So let me just add a little to taste. Our tiger nut milk is ready to be refrigerated. Can you see how creamy it is? You should also try this at home and then let me know if you got it or not. Thank you for watching.